I'm Emily C. Bunrung, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to grill a grass-fed steak. I've got two beautiful T-bone steaks that I purchased from 5 Bar Beef when I got a half cow last year. Before we get started, I wanted to mention that I got these steaks to come down to room temperature. So I took it out of the fridge in the morning. The sun's about to go down now, so we're having this for dinner. So I just let it sit out pretty much all day, but the weather was a lot cooler. If it's summertime and you're watching this, probably a couple hours at room temp is fine before you grill it. So now all I'm gonna do is use simple Redmond real salt. That's all I'm gonna do for seasoning. We're gonna get one side on there. So before I even put it on the grill, I'm going to clean my grill first. So have a look at this. Just gonna get this clean first. I've got the grill preheated already on high, just so the grates get hot. I already kind of know my grill. I know it's mostly hot in the middle, so I'm going to put it there. Season side down. And now I'm going to season the other side. So depending on how cooked you want your steak, I like my steak to be cooked like medium rare. So my timing protocol for the steak is 5 minutes on one side and then 5 minutes on the other. But I'll show you how to know where it's at after you flip it. Another thing I like to do when I'm using the grill is keeping the outside flames on high and then leaving the two in the middle, the ones that the steaks are on, medium to medium low. The reason why I'm cooking this grass-fed steak on medium to low heat is because grass-fed beef is very lean, and if I cook it on high, it's gonna become very chewy. However, if this was grain-fed, I would just blast the heat to high, get a nice sear and char, get that Maillard reaction, and it would still be fine. It would still be very juicy and not chewy at all. So grass-fed steak to me is a whole different game. So it's been 5 minutes. I'm going to open up the grill. Let's take a look at the steaks. Woo, we got a flame. Put out the fire. So I'm gonna lower the heat. I'm gonna move my steak away from the flame. And now we're going to flip it. There we go. So I'm gonna keep the two middle flames on medium to low heat. We're gonna set the timer for another 5 minutes, close the grill. So it's been 5 minutes, now we're gonna open up the grill, have a look at it. Now all I'm going to do is poke it a little. And what I'm looking for is seeing if any juices have risen to the top. Nothing yet. So to me, whoop, flare. So to me, it's still pretty rare inside. Now I'm gonna leave it open, keep an eye on it. So if there's any flare-ups, you gotta move it out of the way. That might be a grease thing that I have not cleaned these things in a while. That's another thing I gotta do. Ooh, okay, so look. Now, you see the juices? Get tight, get tight, get tight. There you go, you see that coming up? That's a good sign. We're getting close. Just gonna move this around. The cool thing is right now the weather is kind of cold and this fire is warming me up. And remember, once you take it off the grill, it's going to continue cooking. We're gonna take it off. That one is his. This one I can still, I'm giving it the poke test and it gives a lot. So I'm gonna leave it on a little. If you wanted this well done, you gotta wait until there's no blood or red stuff, blood, coming up at all. The juices have to run clear. That's how you know it's well done. But for now, I'm getting close to picking this. All right, I'm gonna turn off the grill. The second one is done. Woo. All right, it's time to have a tasting. Got mine over here. I'm gonna put it on this plate. I'm gonna cut me some butter, some Kerrygold butter, steak and butter. It's like the best combination here. Cut against the grain, just want to take a look at what it's like on the inside. Medium rare right there. Oh my God, that's really good. So with this cut in particular, the T-bone, cooking it medium rare does not lead to any chewiness. It's perfect to me, how I like it. So that's it. We brought the steak to room temperature, seasoned it with some salt, grilled it on each side for 5 minutes on medium to low heat because it's grass-fed. And there you go. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.